Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add tracking number on Shopify. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up any preferred browser. Go over to shopify.com and make sure you're logged in over there. And after that, you will be redirected to the main page of the website. Now just tap on Orders tab from the left side menu to access your orders. Then just select the order you want to add a tracking number to and wait for it to load up completely. And after that, just click on Fulfill Item. And then just confirm the action inside the next window. Once you do it, the Fulfill button will change into Tracking Number button. Just click on it and then type the tracking number of your product along with the shipping carrier. And then just save the action, and that's it. This is basically how you can add tracking number on Shopify. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.